I'm a psychotherapist and the author of the best-selling book, Deeper Dating, and I want to offer you three transformative tools for finding love that I'm going to be teaching in my live workshop this Wednesday. But in this video, I'm going to give you three of the key tools. Yesterday, I was editing the worksheets for this workshop, and I was just bursting with excitement about what I'm going to get to teach you. And here is essentially what it is. These three tools are so powerful and hope creating and healing, you'll see. But we don't get taught these. They not only lead to love, but they lead to self love because they're the real skills of intimacy. Okay, number one is to become a student of your attraction patterns. Let's start with the negative. What have been, look back at your relationships and what have been the negative qualities in partners that somehow showed up again and again? These are really critical, and these are what I call attractions of deprivation, are being drawn to consciously or unconsciously those particular negative qualities. Then, looking back on your relationships, what have been the wonderful parts, the really soul nourishing parts? These are parts that are your attractions of inspiration. And when you can see the patterns that repeat a number of times, you have gold for your future. Why? Two main reasons. You know what to stay away from, and you know what to courageously seek out. That's number one. Number two is, and this is an amazing thing, your attractions of deprivation, those negative qualities, selfishness, lack of generosity, lack of honesty, whatever they are that showed up again and again, point out core parts of your being that you have not yet learned to honor. And when you learn to name them and honor them, your attractions will begin to change. These qualities are what I call core gifts, and we'll be talking about that in the workshop. The third piece is to frame your entire search for love around this one question. And that is, does my soul feel safe and seen with this person? When everything moves around that frame, everything changes. Your future changes. Now you know the difference between attractions of deprivation and inspiration, and you now are seeking that out consciously. When you do that, a few things happen. One, people notice a quality of dignity about you, and people who could take advantage of you are going to be less likely to jump in and do that. And people who could love you for who you are going to notice you more. Another thing that will happen is that your attachment style will begin to heal because some deep, deep down part of you will know that it is finally being protected. And the third, which is so wild, is this. As you follow these principles, your attractions will begin to change. You will become more attracted to people who are good for you and more attractive to them. And you will be less interested in people who hold those deprivational qualities. It's an amazing thing, but I have seen it happen in my own life and with countless people. So if you'd like to learn more about the workshop or just learn about this work, go to attractionsworkshop.com. The workshop's going to be live with my coaching, and I hope to see you there, attractionsworkshop.com. And it's actually going to be half price if you purchase tickets between now and Monday night. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you there.